Okay lads, the time has come to get this beauty back in there. Hopefully it'll go as straightforward as possible, but unfortunately I've got Santa's little helper. Say hello.
I don't like doing oily bits.
So, here we go. Well, she's in. Not all buttoned up yet, but it went in smoother than we thought. So,
I did most of it.
yeah, right. So anyway, watch your space, and we'll fire it up next. Okay, we've got all the fluids in, got everything bolted up, battery connected, and Tosh is ready to give it a crack.
And it's painted pistachio green.
Oh yes, of course, you haven't seen the colour yet, have you? Pistachio green.
It's a pearler. Are we ready?
Yeah, we're ready. Straight off this time. Happy little shepherd. Cool. Anyway, we've got the old sunbeam waiting. We've got all the parts for the sunbeam engine now. So, watch your space. On the second one. See you later, lads. Well, at least he's driving it back from the little test drive. No, I need to go and tow him in, but no doubt there'll be a few teething problems, but it certainly looks good in this sunshine. Sounds awesome.